Actually, RCB is going to have Hyderabadi biryani.
Hold on, Abbas. I didn't even introduce you. Let me get an opportunity. We'll introduce Abbas here. Of course, he's a Shari expert and he's come out with a wonderful Shari just for RCB. Then let's go to him. Abbas, for you.
Absolutely. कभी सेवा करते हैं, कभी कमाल करते हैं. कभी सेवा करते हैं, कभी कमाल करते हैं. हम RCB वाले जो भी करते हैं, धमाल करते हैं.
But I have a small doubt. Now, all the RCB fans on that side, SRH fans on this side, what are you doing there?
Well, I'm trying to.
Deal going on
No, not at all. Actually, not at all. I'm just trying to play a mediator here. Okay. But our blood is red. We are all for RCB and looking forward to this win. We're really hungry. 9-time lucky.
Also, the other thing of having.
Superb.
Something to compliment for RCB. Thank you, Alan, for the inspiration. I would say. Move to the left and shake it to the right here. Move to the left and shake it to the right.
I knew this was coming. It was very, very long since Abbas got this.
Absolutely.
Superb, Abbas. I think I knew
you.
the move to the left one was going to come in again. I think, Sham, you're a bigger fan of that Shari, isn't it? I think, how many times have you heard that?
1,000, lovely.
No, but I think the best thing is he would also understand this one because it's in English.
Exactly, and it's not in Tamil. You know, missing Satish right now.
But today is SRH. It's supposed to be in Telugu, not in Tamil.
Telugu.
Wow, Abbas, come on.
Telugu.
Can you do a Shari in Telugu? Can you do a...
SRH. నువ్వు నన్ను ప్రేమిస్తావని నాకు తెలుసు నువ్వు రోజా పులావ్ ఉండవు
See, I knew it. I knew it. He's sitting this side and he said SRH loves him, right? Did he say that?
we all love. It's just that we are hungry to win.
I knew, and you're saying all the movie names.
No, not at all. It's beautiful dialogues.
No, that's what my director tells me. You're saying all the movie names.
It's the best names we could get from Telugu.
Well, we'll ask Abbas. So Abbas, you're going to be an SRH supporter through this show because that's the public demand here. So what do you think? Where does the key for SRH lie?
Well, if you're asking me to be an SRH supporter, it's like asking a pilot to ride an auto, which is not possible.
You know, a pilot can
it always has to be flying. So I've been always a fan of RCB and I shall be. So that is how it goes. And coming to the Warner versus Kohli, I'd definitely go for Kohli. I think he's proved if SRH has come back with the momentum, no doubt, hats off to them. 2 matches, but we, RCB, have come with back-to-back 4 matches. So winning all the 4 matches last time. So कोहली के लिए कुछ कहना चाहूँगा मैं. परों को खोल आसमान उड़ान देखता है. ज़मीन पे बैठ के क्या आसमान देखता है. हुनर है तो हिफाजत कर संभल के चल तुझे सारा जहान देखता है.
Wow! I think DJ, I think we need something for that. Let's have something for the DJ. For champion.
Doubtedly, Deepak. I think it's a very valid point to see Stuart Binney and to see Rahul. And these guys have been a part of the formidable team of Ranji Cricket. And having our boys play it for us and winning it for RCB. And Rahul, most importantly, being the most emerging player. Let's hope he wins that as well. So most important thing is, you know, one of the best
Rahul,
players.
Srinath and Binney won the World Cup for us.
Absolutely. Yeah, sure. Why not? And also the most important thing is, you know, Karnataka, especially the Ranji team, I'm sure Mr. Vedam and my friend Sham will agree with me. You know, we've had some of the best talent from here. It may be a Kumble, Srinath to even Rahul Dravid. I think some of the finest cricketers have been here. तो उनके लिए कुछ स्पेशल कहना चाहूँगा मैं 2 लाइनों में. वो उड़ना क्या जानते हैं जो आसमानों को देखते हैं. वो उड़ना क्या जानते हैं जो आसमानों को देते हैं. इन परिंदों को सिखाते नहीं कैसे उड़ना है क्योंकि उड़ के भी जो कॉन्कर करे उसे RCB और कर्नाटका के सबसे सर्वश्रेष्ठ परिंदे हैं.
Wow, Abbas bhai.
Somewhere, if Sharipa is watching this, he'll be wondering what's happening.
We've got competition.
Next time when he's going to be here, we'll have to get a Toko meter as well.
I hope
and also some. Probably the DJ is not good enough. We need to get a guy who talks it a little.
For SRH, I'd like to say they're fantastic people, but जिन तूफानों में तुम्हारे घर उजड़ जाते हैं, उसमें RCB के जर्सी सुखाते हैं.
Wow.
For RCB, I think he's yes, certainly been good. And the best part is, you know, the wicket he knows well. Being a Bangalore boy here, playing games for Karnataka and being able to bowl here.
But then when Vedam said a curator from Chennai is coming and making the pitches here, it wouldn't really make a difference.
Now it certainly might definitely make a difference. But I think Shenwat's done pretty well with the bat as well, and also being one of the most valuable players of the tournament, doing good as an all-rounder with the bat and the ball. I think that's quite credible.
Well, Abbas, yes, you from a lot of time you've been agitated, you've been restless. What's
Actually,
happening? Is
I'm
it
moving
anticipation?
my places are shifting up, down, and now finally next to my champion friend here. So I'm all energetic because of Sham, and it's such a pleasure and a privilege to be right next
You
to
know,
my friend
after the game, we'll send you both in the same cab so that both of you have some quality time. Sham?
here. We'd love to, but most importantly, you know, SRH fans are superb fans. Actually, they are small in number. They are making huge noise. So उनके लिए एक special शायरी है जो for all the SRH fans out there, I'd like to say ना तीर से ना तलवार से ना गोलियों की बौछार से SRH डरता है RCB के war से.
Sham, impressed? That was personally for you.
Yeah, it's been a while since we've been impressed with him. He's been going on.
After that, I think everybody feels at home, including SRH fans.
Yeah, I get it. You had a rap, now you have.
Live by my friend Deepak, especially being among those 45,000 people in the stadium. It's wow, and we all know that this stadium, this fortress of RCB is one of the best in India in terms of the viewers, the audience, and the spirit of the people. You know, they are always cheering, always roaring. And since it's a small ground, you know, belligerent 4s and 6s coming in from a Kohli, ABDs, 360 shots, and of course our other men like Shane Watson and Gill. I think that's the thumping point. And hats off, especially many of the games I have seen for RCB. Rain, sunshine, storm, they are right there. They're doing a rain dance party, they're cheering the team and going for it. That shows the spirit of the cosmo-urban culture of Bangalore City, and hats off to all these.
All the RCB fans.
Go to win, go to win.
बुली को राग कहते हैं जो शम्मा कभी ना बुझे उसे रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर कहते हैं and let's hope we're going to win this in a super competitive.
So true, Abbas bhai.
We'll come to SRH.